Hi, this is Barbara with Best Vacuum Info, and today I've just received the new ILife Beetles series A4 robotic vacuum cleaner, and I'm going to go through the unboxing to see what's in there and how it all works. So I have the box open and let's see, cover piece. Looks like user manual here and padding. Looks like here's the main unit, the vacuum cleaner itself, and I believe this is an extra HEPA filter that comes with it, some extra side brushes. I think this is from reading about the vacuum. I think this is a cleaning brush for the vacuum itself. And this looks like our docking station. Obviously electric cord and remote control, which is pretty cool. I see some batteries stuck down here for the remote control, so it's nice they include those. And that is everything that is in the box. Everything arrived in good shape. Nothing's broken. Everything is really securely packaged, so I appreciate that. Looks like everything's in working order. So let's move on to the next step. So I have the box out of the way, and this is everything that was in it. So first I'm going to take the user manual out of its plastic. Let's see what it has to tell me. User manual. And I'm going to see if there's some sort of quick start. I see safety instructions, product parts, operating, maintaining, troubleshooting, and specifications in the manual. It lists our parts. I'm going through, it looks like we have them all. Talks about the anatomy and how to charge it and all that sort of thing. So right now I'm just going to take these pieces out of the plastic and get everything together. So first we have our docking station and charging unit. That's one piece. You can see there the little silver dots where the vacuum will actually dock and charge. Our remote control and a little hermetically sealed, apparently, bubble wrap. Okay, remote control. And our cord to plug it all in. And let's see, here is the exciting part, the actual vacuum. And as you can see, it comes with brushes already on it. So these are in fact extra brushes to clean edges and whatnot, which is pretty cool. And it feels pretty sturdy. I mean, this thing is fairly heavy. It's not bad, but it feels solid, even though it's all plastic. So there is the ILife A4.